Before we start, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We post new English lessons every day to help you improve your accent, fluency, and confidence.
Today, we're practicing shadowing, speaking at the exact same time as we speak. This technique helps you copy natural American rhythm, stress, and linking. It might feel difficult at first, but that's completely normal.
If you can't keep up, don't worry. Just pause, rewind, and try again. Every time you repeat, your American accent improves.
Let's begin slowly. Listen first, then shadow with us. Listen, I want to go.
Shadow, I want to go.
Listen, I need to work.
Shadow, I need to work.
Listen, it's time to start.
Shadow, it's time to start. Pause here and repeat these rhythm patterns. Rhythm is the foundation of American English.
Let's continue together. Shadow with me. I'm ready. Shadow with me. I'm busy. Shadow with me. I'm hungry. Shadow with me. That's perfect. Shadow with me. It's wonderful.
Shadow with me. I need this. Shadow with me. I like it. Shadow with me. I want that. Not today. Right now.
Listen, pause, and exaggerate the stressed syllables. American English uses strong, clear stress.
Now, let's add natural American reductions and linking. Shadow with me. I'm gonna go. Again, I'm gonna go.
Shadow with me. Do you wanna try? Again, do you wanna try?
Shadow with me. I gotta finish this. Again, I gotta finish this.
Shadow with me. Let me see.
Again, let me see.
Shadow with me. Gimme a minute.
Again, gimme a minute.
Shadow with me. I'm kinda tired.
Again, I'm kinda tired. Pause the video and practice these reductions. These are natural in everyday American conversation.
Great. Let's continue with short shadow sentences. Shadow with me. I'm ready. I'm coming. I'm leaving. I'm tired. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm home. I'm outside. I'm waiting. I'm right here.
Shadow with me. Let's go. Come here. Try again. Wait, please. Not yet. 1 second. Hold on. Right now.
Shadow with me. I hear you. I see you. I got you. I understand. I agree. I don't know. I think so. I hope so. Maybe later. Not today.
Pause and shadow these short lines again. Short sentences build rhythm quickly.
Let's keep going. Shadow with me. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna finish this soon. I don't wanna rush it. I don't wanna mess it up.
Shadow with me. I'm tryna do my best. I'm tryna learn slowly. I'm tryna sound natural. I'm tryna follow you. I'm tryna keep up.
Shadow with me. Let me know later. Let me check first. Let me think about it. Let me try again. Let me fix that.
Shadow with me. I'm getting better at this. I'm learning how to say it. I'm working on my accent. I'm practicing every day. I'm feeling more confident.
Pause here and shadow again. Linking and reductions are key to sounding American.
Let's move to longer, natural-sounding lines.
Shadow with me. I'm gonna try to say this more naturally. I think I'm starting to understand the rhythm. I want to keep practicing until it feels easy. I'm working hard and it's paying off. I'm getting more comfortable with shadowing.
Shadow with me. I'm trying to slow down and speak clearly. I'm learning how Americans connect their words. I didn't know this could help so much. I'm starting to hear the difference in my voice. I want to practice this every day.
Shadow with me. This feels a lot smoother now. I didn't expect it to sound this natural. I'm feeling proud of my progress today. This method is really helping my accent. I think I'm finally getting the rhythm.
Pause the video, shadow these long sentences again. Long shadowing builds real fluency.
Now let's practice a natural American-style conversation.
Shadow with me. Hey, how are you doing today?
Shadow with me. I'm doing pretty good. How about you?
Shadow with me. I'm kinda tired, but I'm okay.
Shadow with me. You wanna practice with me?
Yeah, I'm down. Let's do it.
All right, let's take it slow today.
Good idea. Slow shadowing sounds better.
Okay, let's keep going.
Pause and shadow this conversation again. This is real, everyday American speech. Before we continue, remember, the more you shadow, the more natural your accent becomes. Don't just listen. Match our voice, our rhythm, and our speed.
Let's keep going. Follow along with us and stay with the rhythm. Shadow with me. I'm walking outside. I'm taking my time. I'm breathing slowly. I'm feeling calm. I'm doing okay today. I'm not in a rush. I'm just enjoying the moment. I'm thinking about my day. I'm trying to relax. I'm feeling better now.
Shadow with me. I'm getting ready to leave. I'm looking for my keys. I'm checking my phone. I'm almost out the door. I'm gonna be there soon. I'm heading your way. I'm close to your place. I'm right around the corner. I'm getting closer. I'm outside now.
Shadow with me. Pause here and shadow this section again. These are everyday American rhythms that you'll use all the time. Shadow with me. I'm getting a little hungry. I'm thinking about lunch. I'm craving something warm. I kinda wanna eat out. I'm deciding what to get. I'm checking the menu. I'm choosing something simple. I'm ordering now. I'm waiting for my food. I'm enjoying the smell.
That looks really good. That smells amazing. That tastes perfect. I want to try that too. I think I'll get the same. I'm not sure yet. I'll think about it. Let me see what they have. I'll take this one. I'm happy with my choice.
Great! Stay with the rhythm of each line. Shadowing is about flow and timing.
Shadow with me. I'm cleaning up my room. I'm picking up my clothes. I'm opening the window. I'm putting things away. I'm wiping down the table. I'm folding my laundry. I'm organizing my stuff. I'm throwing things out. I'm making some space. I'm almost done here.
Shadow with me. I'm washing the dishes. I'm drying them off. I'm setting them aside. I'm wiping the counter. I'm taking out the trash. I'm finishing the kitchen. I'm looking around. Everything looks clean. Everything feels better. This place looks great.
Pause the video if you need more time. Shadowing is physical. Your mouth needs repetition.
Shadow with me. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm turning off the lights. I'm checking my phone. I'm setting my alarm. I'm climbing into bed. I'm getting comfortable. I'm closing my eyes. I'm falling asleep.
Shadow with me. I'm waking up slowly. I'm stretching a little. I'm opening the blinds. I'm checking the weather. I'm planning my day. I'm making some coffee. I'm heating breakfast. I'm starting the morning. I'm feeling more awake. I'm ready to begin.
Nice work. Let's add more natural American linking. Shadow with me. What do you want to do today? Where do you want to go? When do you want to leave? How do you want to start? Who do you want to meet?
George doesn't say that. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure right now. I'm trying to decide. I'll let you know soon.
Shadow with me. Let me know when you're ready. Let me check my schedule. Let me think for a second. Let me grab my shoes. Let me get my bag.
Shadow with me. I'll meet you outside. I'll call you when I'm there. I'll text you in a minute. I'll pick you up soon. I'll be right there.
Pause and shadow this again. These linking patterns are essential for an American accent.
Shadow with me. You're doing great. You're sounding better. You're getting smoother. You're speaking naturally. You're making real progress.
Shadow with me. This is easier than before. This is starting to click. This is helping a lot. This feels more natural. This is good practice.
Shadow with me. I'm proud of this work. I'm happy with my accent. I'm excited to improve. I'm ready for the next part. I'm confident today.
Let's continue. Keep your voice soft, smooth, and connected. Shadow with me. I'm going upstairs. I'm going downstairs. I'm walking to my car. I'm crossing the street. I'm waiting at the light. I'm looking both ways. I'm heading downtown. I'm turning left here. I'm almost there. I'm pulling in now.
Shadow with me. I'm checking my email. I'm replying to messages. I'm reading the updates. I'm writing a response. I'm finishing my tasks. I'm sending a report. I'm looking at my notes. I'm planning my week. I'm reviewing my schedule. I'm closing my laptop.
Pause for a moment. Shadow all of these again. Repeat until they feel natural on your tongue.
Shadow with me. I'm feeling really good today. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm taking things slowly. I'm learning step by step. I'm focused on improving. I'm proud of myself. I'm staying patient. I'm doing my best. I'm not giving up. I'm here to learn.
Shadow with me. You can do this. You're improving. You're doing great. You're learning a lot. You're getting better. You're speaking clearly. You're sounding natural. You're becoming confident. You're moving forward. You're doing amazing.
Pause here. Shadow this whole section again. These confidence phrases help build a natural American rhythm.
Shadow with me. Let's practice a longer rhythm. I'm gonna try to sound more natural. I'm learning how to connect my words. I'm working on my pronunciation every day. I'm taking my time and speaking clearly. I'm trying to stay relaxed while I speak. I'm improving every time I practice. I'm proud of how far I've come today. I'm ready to keep going with shadowing. I'm starting to feel more confident.
Shadow with me. This method is really helping me learn. I like hearing the difference in my voice. I want to practice this again tomorrow. I think I'm getting used to the rhythm. I finally understand how Americans speak. It's easier when I slow down at first. I can keep up better every time I try. I'm gonna repeat this lesson again later. Shadowing makes my accent feel smoother. I want to keep improving step by step.
Excellent work! You're doing a lot, and it shows.
Shadow with me. Hey, what are you up to today?
Shadow with me. Not much, I'm just hanging out.
Shadow with me. You want to practice English with me?
Yeah, sure. I'm always down for that.
Cool, let's take it slow.
Sounds good. Slow and natural.
Okay, repeat after me.
I'm trying my best today.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem. Let's keep practicing.
Pause here and shadow this conversation at least twice. Conversations help you sound truly natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is learning English.
And tell us in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or what topic you want us to do next.
For more practice, you can check out Udemy English courses. The link is in the description.
And if you'd like to support our channel with a donation, you can find our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description too. We appreciate all your donations.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Always a pleasure to be here with you. See you in the next video, friends.